Hello and welcome to the Crane Report. I'm Audrey Dicer standing in for Brett this week. We begin with a quick mention of the 2019 Advanced Naval Technology Exercise West. The event brought together warfighters, engineers, and scientists to test and showcase technologies from the Navy research and development community, industry, and academia. Click the links in the description box to learn more about ANTX. The Office of Naval Research Science Advisors visited Crane to learn more about Crane's capabilities and mission areas.
We're really excited to host them here. They're going to have around 30 science advisors visiting. Most of them, it's going to be their first time at Crane, so it gives them a chance to see some of the products that we've been providing to the warfighter.
On April 16th, the NSWC Crane Executive Leadership Team received a brief from Indiana Congressman and Chairman of the Defense Appropriations Subcommittee, Pete Visklosky, during a leadership offsite. He commended Crane's commitment to fostering regional partnerships. Strategic Systems Programs Flight Systems Chief Engineer Mr. Jim Kern, SES, stopped by this week to kick off the 60-year celebration of Crane's support for SSP.
It all started in 1959 when Crane first tested batteries and ordnance for SSP. And we still do that work today, but we do a lot more now for SSP than we ever have.
That's all for this week. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe.